Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create scrolling text effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and usually we will create scrolling text effect for movie and credits. So first thing first, we need to add background for our text. You can add the background as you like guys, and for instance, I'm going to add this image to my track. I'm going to use it as my background for my text. And after that, we're going to add text to our project. Just go to the text menu and click on this plus button, and you can add your text right here. Wait, I'm just going to delete it, and I have just copied my text, so here I'm just going to paste it. Okay, and I'm going to make this text smaller, just like so. You can customize the size of the text and the color and the font as well. And I'm going to change the font. I'm going to use this font. Okay, and we're going to make this text align with our image or our background like this. And to make these scrolling text effect, we're going to use keyframe. So you need to go to the basic just like so, and then you are going to add keyframe button. So you're going to add the keyframe button for the position. This one, this is the keyframe icon. And for the first position, I'm going to drag it down like this. I'm going to make it our frame. Wait. Okay. Move it down again guys. Alright, and click on the keyframe button. And for the end position, I'm going to move it up. Just like so. Okay, and I think it's done guys, and let's take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling text effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.